Understanding CIF transactions in oil trading. Master CIF in oil trading. Are you struggling to navigate CIF deals in oil trading? In this video, I'll show you how to master cost insurance and freight transactions so you can trade confidently and avoid costly mistakes. Let me tell you a story from June 2023 that highlights just how critical this knowledge is. A buyer mandate in Mumbai was trying to close a CIF deal for D2 gas headed to port of Dar es Salaam. The seller's offer seemed like a dream. Shipping, insurance and product all included for just 390 per metric ton. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it was. The buyer skipped verifying the shipping schedule and didn't double check the insurance policy. And guess what? The vessel never ever left the port. He ended up losing $80,000 on port fees, inspections and legal disputes without receiving a single drop of fuel. Why? Because he didn't fully understand how CIF really works. Hi there, welcome back to Oil and Gas course. I am Rizwan Khazi. In this video, we are diving deep into mastering CIF cost, insurance and freight transactions. By the end, you'll trade with confidence and sidestep these expensive pitfalls. So stick with me until the finish. And if you haven't enrolled in my full oil and gas exports course yet, there is a link in the description. Click it down for complete access. Let's break it down. First challenge, CIF confusion, price and responsibility struggles. Have you ever started at a CIF oil deal and wondered why the price is so high or who is truly responsible for the shipment? Imagine this, you're sealing $1 million oil shipment deal, but the CIF price is 15 to 20% higher than FOB. Doubt creeps in. Is this a scam? You start questioning the supplier's legitimacy. Then it hits you. But don't worry, I have got the solution to ease those price and responsibility challenges in CIF deal. If CIF feels confusing, let me break it down simply. Complete delivery package. CIF cost, insurance, freight includes seller's responsibility for shipping, insurance and cargo costs. That's exactly why CIF prices are higher than FOB. They bundle in full logistics support. Premium pricing structure. Legitimate CIF offers must include significant markups above FOB to cover transport, logistics and risk management. Here's your key action step. Always request a detailed breakdown of the CIF price in the contract. This lets you verify that the premium covers real services like vessel freight, insurance and port charges. Simple as that. With this clarity, you'll know precisely what you are paying for, dodging confusion and surprise costs upon arrival. Now here comes the second challenge, payment security, risk, payment and cargo fears. But what if you are terrified of losing your payment in CIF oil deal? Picture this nightmare. You avoid a hefty advance for a CIF oil shipment. Days pass with no updates, no vessel tracking. You fire off calls and emails, but responses are evasive. That gut-wrenching thought hits. Did I get scammed? Or worse, the vessel arrives, but the product is off specs and doesn't match the agreed standards. When you go to claim insurance, the policy is vague, incomplete or unverified. Now you are trapped in endless disputes with the seller, losing weeks or months. Your funds are frozen, operation grind to a halt, and your reputation suffers. This is a brutal side of CIF when verification falls short. But it doesn't have to end like that. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on structuring CIF deals correctly so you protect your business and avoid others' mistakes. Here's the best solution for payment and cargo security. Advanced payment security. Standard CIF transactions require financial instruments like irrevocable LC before loading commences. To safeguard investment, always insist on an irrevocable letter of credit. LC, it guarantees the seller gets paid only after fulfilling contract terms like properly loading the oil, plus use third-party vessel tracking systems to confirm the tanker's progress in real time. With these in place, you will trade securely and sleep easily. Third challenge, paperwork overload, documentation stress. Okay, but how do you manage all the paperwork in CIF oil deals without losing your sanity? Let's be real, CIF documentation can feel like an endless maze. You are dealing with bills of lading, certificates of origin, insurance policies, and pile more. Miss one document and your oil is stalled at the port, accruing fees by the day. Frustrations mounts as you rush to fix it. Even scarier, a single paperwork slip could let a fraudulent supplier, though costing you millions. So, what's the best solution for paperwork and verification? Simplify it with a straightforward checklist. Documentation requirements: seller provide complete shipping documents including bills of lading, certificates of origin, and insurance policies. Demand full documentation from the seller including bills of lading, insurance policies, certificate of origins, and any other required papers. Don't worry, you will learn all about this in my full oil and gas exports course. Next, coming to verification protocols. Buyer should independently verify vessel tracking and cargo documentations before payments, then independently verify everything through a trusted freight forwarder or inspection service to spot red flags before any payment is released. This approach turns chaos into control. Wrapping it up, trade with confidence. Now that you have grasped how CIF works in the oil and gas world, you are no longer guessing. You understand who handles shipping, where is the risk lie, and how to sidestep the biggest traps. You are equipped to trade confidently. Don't let high prices, paperwork nightmares, or payment fears hold you back. To keep you organized and protected, I have put together a handy CIF oil trading checklist. Grab it as part of your full course. If you are ready to level up, check out my next video on FOB versus CIF for an in-depth comparison, or join the complete course to master the entire oil trading process from start to finish. Let's make oil trading work for you, not against you. See you in the next module.